Piano cleaning is definitely up there with some of the most requested services. People do not want to see inside their piano and see a bunch of dirt and dust. But it is really complicated, and as we've gone through and learned more about the pianos, there's a lot of delicate parts, so cleaning the piano needs to be done carefully. Now, in this course, you're going to learn how to clean your piano and all the tools and skills necessary to do so. To clean the piano, you're going to need a series of tools, and we will go over each one of these more thoroughly when we do the piano cleaning, but it's nice to have a broad overview just of what you're going to need down the line. The first tool that you're going to need in cleaning your piano is some kind of a dirt removal system like a vacuum or even an air compressor. We have a lot of technicians that use small air compressors in tandem with vacuums to first blow out the dust and then a vacuum to kind of remove it all kind of in one shot. The next thing you're going to need is a series of soundboard cleaning tools. Now, this is the number one question that we get when it's regarding piano cleaning, and that is, how do I clean underneath the strings? How do I clean my soundboard? And the answer is soundboard cleaning tools. We're going to go into each one of these and how we use them, but for the most part, a soundboard cleaning tool allows you to not only get underneath the strings, but other hard-to-reach areas. We're also going to show you how to clean the action using a series of brushes and a series of cleaning tools to really get the action clean and rid of all the dust and debris. Now, the exterior of the piano is also fairly complicated in how to clean it. Depending on the finish and the degree of dirt or grime or fingerprints, we will be using a series of procedures to really get the exterior of the piano clean. And again, all of this we're going to be going over later on in the course.